Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a price action strategy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD, and as you can see I've already marked key resistance and trend line, and I believe that the market was in a retracement phase with the downwards. As you can see, the major trend of the market is an uptrend, and we'll just wait for market to break this key support resistance level so that we can take a trend in the up direction. And as you can see, I've already drawn this uptrend line and this resistance level. So let's see how the market moves. As soon as the market hit this level, it started falling down. So let's just wait and see if there are good enough buyers to support the price action to move even more higher. As you can see, I have drawn another resistance level here, which is the strongest resistance over here. So we have enough room to take a 5-minute trade in the upward direction once the market breaks this resistance level. And another mistake that I have realized is that we have been focusing on the long-term trend, which in fact we're supposed to be focusing on the short trend, because we will be taking 5-minute trade. So a short trend is going to be in more favor of our trade since we're taking a 5-minute trade. So as you can see, the short trend is an uptrend, so that's the reason why I have decided to take an up trade with the right candlestick momentum, which is also price action. We could have taken a quick 1-minute trade over here, as this was a key support level over here and the trend support. So this would have been a good 1-minute trade. Guys, as you can see, I've taken a 5-minute trade over here in the up direction because the candle was turning out to be a doji and hammer pattern. So that's the reason I took this trade. And unfortunately, in the very end, it became a graveyard. So let's just wait. A dragonfly, sorry. So let's just wait. However, I was in a hurry to open this trade. If the price breaks this resistance level, then it will continue moving in the upward direction, since the next resistance is over here. So let's just wait for the trade and see how it goes. And finally guys, after a long losing streak, we have won the trade with a huge margin, as you can see. So what is the key is here that no matter how many times you fail, never give up. As you can see, we have won the trade clearly with a huge difference of margin. So let me explain the setup quickly. So like I said, the mistake that I was doing was focusing on the major trend and not on the minor trend. So that's the reason I focused on a minor trend, which is uptrend. So I decided to take a trade in the upward direction if market doesn't break this level. As you can see, as soon as the market reached here, the price started becoming weaker and weaker. This candle also was a strong bullish candle, which indicated me that the buyers are present. And as soon as the market reached this level, you can see the rejection was very strong, and this candle was forming to be a hammer candle. And as soon as I saw that, I understood that the buyers are strong with this momentum, and that's the reason I took a 5-minute trade below this trend support line and as you can see, the buyer started moving in and the price started moving in the upward direction. And also there's a breakout here. However, if you would have waited for a breakout here, as you can see, the entry would have been here. It should have been quite a risky trade. However, we managed to get our trade successfully over here, and the reason why I took it over here is because we had enough room for the market to reach this level, which was the previous resistance level, and it wouldn't have been that strong because the market had already reached that level, and all the sellers, once the price reached, so if there were orders for sale, everything would have taken and very minimum would have been there. As you can see, this was a strong selling bearish moment, and the market became stronger once it hit the level again. So that is the trading setup for this trade, guys, and I hope I had explained it clearly. If not, please drop your doubts in the comment section so that I can answer it for you. So that is it for today's 5-minute trading session, guys, and I would also be taking 2 1-minute trades. So I will see if I can make a video out of that and post that as well. So that is it for the 5-minute session, and that's how my capital has been increased to 7,000 since I've also been taking a 1-minute trade after a 5-minute trade. So that is it for today's session, guys, for the 5-minute session. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice day.